characteristics of scientific writings. Various forms of scientific documents. Journal articles, essay, research paper, manuals, technical research report writing, abstracts. Summary aims and characteristics of scientific writings. Objectivity. Scientific writing should not be influenced by personal opinions, beliefs, or emotions. Clarity. Scientific writing should be clear and concise, using plain language and avoiding technical jargon wherever possible. This helps to ensure that the findings can be understood by a wide range of readers. Evidence-based. The findings should be supported by solid data, and the methodology used in the research should be clearly described. Replicability. Scientific writing should be replicable, meaning that other researchers should be able to repeat the research and obtain similar results. This helps to build trust in the findings and ensures that the research is rigorous and reliable. Credibility. Scientific writing should be credible, with a strong focus on accuracy and attention to detail. The research should be peer-reviewed, and the methodology and results should be checked and verified by other experts in the field. Various forms of scientific documents. Journal, research articles, review articles, laboratory reports, theses and dissertations, conference papers, technical research, case reports, journal articles. Typically follow a standard format, including an abstract, introduction, methods, results, discussion, and references. Journal articles are an important form of scientific communication, as they help to advance scientific understanding and inform important decisions in a variety of fields. They are widely read and widely cited, and they provide a record of scientific progress and discoveries. Review articles. Review articles summarize and synthesize existing research on a particular topic. The aim of these are to provide an overview of the current state of knowledge on a topic and to identify gaps in the research that need to be filled. Review articles are written by experts in the field. Review articles play an important role in advancing scientific understanding, as they provide a synthesis of existing knowledge on a topic and help researchers to identify areas where further research is needed. Laboratory reports. Laboratory reports describe the procedures and results of experiments conducted in a laboratory setting. A laboratory report is a type of scientific document that describes the procedures and results of experiments conducted in a laboratory setting. Laboratory reports are typically written by students or researchers and are used to communicate their findings to others. Theses and dissertations. Theses and dissertations are long, in-depth studies that are typically written as part of a graduate degree program. They present original research and findings, and they are usually reviewed by a committee of experts before they are accepted. Theses and dissertations are typically written by students who are pursuing a master's or doctoral degree, and they present the results of original research conducted by the student. Theses and dissertations are typically much longer and more comprehensive than journal articles or laboratory reports. They provide a detailed description of the research question, the methods used, the results obtained, and the interpretation of the results. Conference papers. A conference paper is a type of scientific document that presents the results of research in the form of a paper or poster that is presented at a scientific conference. They typically present the results of recent research and provide an opportunity for researchers to share their findings with others in the field. Conference papers are usually shorter and less comprehensive than journal articles or theses, but they provide a platform for researchers to present their latest findings and receive feedback from their peers. Technical reports. Technical reports are a type of scientific document that provide a comprehensive and technical description of research results or findings. They are often used to communicate the findings of projects to stakeholders, including funding agencies, industry partners, and the public. They are typically written for a technical audience, such as engineers, scientists, and other specialists in a particular field. Essay. A scientific essay is a written piece that presents a scientific argument or explanation. It is typically written for a scientific audience, such as researchers, scholars, and students in a particular field. Scientific essays are used to communicate complex scientific ideas, theories, and findings in a clear and concise manner. Scientific essays are used to communicate research findings and contribute to the advancement of knowledge in a particular field. Manuals. Manuals are comprehensive and detailed documents that provide information on how to use, operate, maintain, or repair a product or system. They are typically written for a specific audience, such as users, technicians, or engineers, and provide step-by-step instructions and illustrations to help users perform specific tasks or understand how a product or system works. The purpose of manuals is to provide a reference for users so that they can use a product or system safely, effectively, and efficiently. Manuals are important resources for users and provide valuable information that helps them understand how to use, operate, maintain, and repair a product or system. Elements of manuals: introduction, setup and installation, operating instructions, maintenance and care, troubleshooting, safety instructions, technical specifications. Research paper writing. The structure of a research paper typically includes the following elements. Title page. The title page includes the title of the paper, the names of the authors, and the name of the institution or organization they are affiliated with. Abstract. The abstract provides a brief summary of the research and its findings. Introduction. The introduction provides background information on the topic, states the research question or problem, and provides a rationale for why the research was conducted. Literature review. The literature review provides an overview of existing research and theories related to the topic. Methods. The methods section describes the experimental or observational methods used to gather data, including the design of the study, the participants, and the procedures used. Results. The results section presents the data and findings of the research, usually in the form of tables, figures, and graphs. Discussion. The discussion section interprets the results, draws conclusions, and discusses the implications of the findings. Conclusion. The conclusion summarizes the main points of the research and its findings, and provides recommendations for future research. References. The references section lists the sources cited in the paper, following a specific citation style, such as upper or MLA. Abstracts. The abstract provides a brief summary of the article, and the introduction sets the stage for the research by providing background information and a clear statement of the research question. The methods section describes the methods used in the research, and the results section presents the findings. The discussion section interprets the results and places them in the context of existing knowledge, and the references section lists the sources cited in the article. Typically, an abstract is between 150 to 250 words and contains the following elements. 1. Background. A brief statement of the context and purpose of the study. 2. Methods. A description of how the study was conducted. 3. Results. A summary of the main findings of the study. 4. Conclusions. A statement of the conclusions or implications of the study. 5. Keywords. A list of the most important words and phrases that describe the content of the paper. Summary. A summary is a condensed version of a larger text that includes only the main points and key information. It is a brief representation of the text's content and is used to provide an overview of the main ideas and arguments. A summary can vary depending on the